This tutorial will guide you how to completely uninstall Neverness to Everness game on your PC. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. But before we begin to our tutorial, ensure that the NTE launcher or the game has been closed. So you can come here on the system tray and ensure that the NTE is closed. So if you see it, make sure to exit. You can just right click on it and then you'll see an option to exit. But for me, I've already completely closed it from the system tray. Now you can begin to the tutorial. Just go on your browser and search for Revo Uninstaller and make sure to just search here on the Google. And I will see here free and full download. Make sure to click on this link. That will open on this link here. So wait for the page to load. Now you can scroll down and then select free download. So make sure to select free download. After downloading this software, make sure to install it on your PC. Once the software has been installed, you can search here for Revo Uninstaller. So open this Revo Uninstaller. Click yes to allow the app to make changes. It will open just like this. So you'll have to wait like a few seconds to allow the application to load all apps. Now once all apps has been loaded, make sure to scroll down to look for the Neverness to Everness. So after scrolling down, you should see this. So you should see this Neverness to Everness. Now what you need to do, just right click on the Neverness to Everness. So if you right click, you'll see an option to uninstall. So right click and then select uninstall. After selecting uninstall, it will ask you, are you sure that you want to uninstall the selected program? Just click continue. Now I'll select continue. This will come, this is just like a pop-up. After just like a few seconds will come this pop-up from Neverness to Everness. It will ask you just select here uninstall. After selecting uninstall, it will tell you uninstalling will completely remove Neverness to Everness. Do you want to continue? Just select confirm and then it will start uninstalling. Also start uninstalling, just wait for the progress bar to finish. Also it finishes, that will tell you Neverness to Everness has been successfully uninstalled. Thank you for your support. Just click confirm. Now select confirm. It will come to this page here where you'll have to perform the initial analysis and uninstall. So just select here advanced and then click scan. Then also select scan. It will come to this page here. Make sure to select all. So you'll see a button here, select all. But for me, I've already selected all. That's why you see deselect all. But for you, have to select here, select all. Then all the files will be selected here. So it's completely safe. Just select all. After selecting all, then click delete. Then after deleting, it will come again and that will come to the next step here. Also, there are leftovers. Make sure to select all and then click delete. After deleting, that will tell you selected, but remaining the files will be deleted during the next system restart. So you'll have to click OK and then you'll have to restart your PC. Then you're going to press Windows plus E, then go to this PC. Now go to the C drive. And then look for program files, open the program files and make sure there is no Neverness to Everness folder. So you can scroll down to look. If you see any Neverness to Everness folder, make sure to delete it. So that's how you can completely uninstall Neverness to Everness on your PC. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you next time.